This video is long overdue. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a lot of you guys have been asking me for a flat twist tutorial and I figured I should do this on YouTube. So many people have been asking me for this tutorial on Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, and even here when I post YouTube shorts. So today is that day that I'm going to give a very detailed tutorial on how you are going to be able to do flat twist. I know that a lot of people have different ways of doing it, but this is just my own way of doing flat twist. So I hope you stick around and watch till the end. My hair is so dry. The first thing you want to do when you're styling your hair is to first moisturize. Going with your water. It's just water that is in this bottle, your spray bottle. So you're going to spray it all over your hair to moisturize. Very important.
Throw away the city lights, throw away the cars. Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are.
Oh, I made a mistake. Water usually hydrates. Water is meant to hydrate your hair. And then when water comes together with leave-in conditioner, they perform something called moisturizing. Like they work together to be able to moisturize your hair. So this is for moisturizing and this is to hydrate. But two of them together, they work better. So have that at the back of your mind. For this video, I'm going to be using the TGIN leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair. I love this conditioner so much and I have been using it for so long. So long now. So I love the conditioner so much. It just moisturizes my hair and then it makes my hair very soft and easy for me to detangle. I think I put too much of it in front of my hair, but it's fine. Like I always work my way through.
So come with me to a place afar where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? I don't wanna leave this place, I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So
First thing you want to do when you're doing flat twist is to part your hair just a little bit and then split that one you parted into two different parts. This is going to enable you start your flat twist. Please do pay close attention to my hand movement. Usually I start with my index finger and my index finger is the finger I usually use to part my hair as I flat twist my way down. So just watch closely and see what I do and you'll be able to understand. So just focus. I did not fasten this particular clip because I want you guys to watch closely and see how I part my hair as I flat twist my hair all the way down. I also want you to know that this is something that gets better with time. Like the more you do it, the better you get at it. So remember to practice with your hair from time to time. Maybe if you're about to do your wash day or something like that, you can always try to see if you'll be able to flat twist your hair. And the more you do this, I promise you, the better you are going to get at it. And then when it comes to twisting the down part of my hair, is like I'm going in opposite direction. You usually don't twist it like the normal way that you do your twist when you are doing like mini twist. This one is like you're twisting in the other direction instead of the normal way that we usually do it.
if I lay down, will you come? Follow, so follow. So if I lay down, will you come? Follow, so follow. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I
guys, my goal was actually to twist also the top parts of my hair, this one that I parted in the middle, but unfortunately I was doing it and it wasn't coming out very well. So I was like, okay, the hairstyle that I had in mind, I will not do that. I'll just end up switching something up a little bit.
Every day I miss you in the most ordinary ways. I always stop and wonder what would have happened if I stayed. Cause without you, it's like the ocean, I'm drowning in every single wave. Yeah, without you, I've got no focus, I'm fighting to just get through the day. And I keep falling, 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 and deeper in every single wave. Yeah, I keep falling, falling.
A lot of times when I don't want to use gel, I always use hair mousse to be able to temp freeze on my hair when I'm done styling.
Falling, without you, there's no escape. Yeah, without you.
We have come to the end of this video, and I really hope I was able to offer value to someone here, someone that is watching me, and I really hope that you are able to, start doing your own flat twist by yourself. Thank you all for staying to the end of my video. Please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I put out a video. See you guys in my next video, okay? Bye!